Welcome back to the Diecast channel. Today we're going to go through some Hot Wheels 2-pack premiums. We got the Lamborghini set, Lamborghini Aventador Coupe, and the Lamborghini Huracan LP. And we got the BMW M1 Pro car with the Lancia Stratos Group 5. And we got the 69 Ford Torino Talladega with the 66 Chevelle. So these are the three out of the set. And let's start off with this one, the 69 Ford Torino Talladega and the 66 Chevelle. So here's the back. All right, let's take a look at this one. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Start with the Ford Torino. Metal base, metal body, rubber wheels. Goodyear tires. Here's the base. Sweet livery, Talladega or bust, 25. We got the sponsors here. 427 cubic inch. 25 on the front headlight. That's pretty sweet. Sweet. That's a smooth rolling car right there. That's a good one. Alright, let's stick this one in the back. Alright, next up we got the 66 Chevelle. So here's the base. Rubber wheels. The Goodyear tires. '86 on the headlight. Bubba bearings. Sweet with the gold, 427 cubic inch, white top, Bubba bearings on the back. Got the white rims, black interior. This one is pretty sweet. That is a good one. Next up, let's go with the BMW and the Lancia. Here's the front. Car culture. Here's the back. Alright, let's open this one up. Start with the Lancia 829. Let me show you the base. Orange wheels, staggered wheels. Lancia on the back, Lancia on the wing. Mono wiper. Look at those louvers. Pretty sweet. Rolls great. Next up, we got the BMW Montour white wheels. BMW on the back. Here's the base. Pretty sweet. Black interior, 8 on the roof, Pirelli on the hood. Got the BMW logo. Woo! That one's good. Rolls great. Alright, let's move on to the Lamborghinis. Here's the front. We got the back. Alright, let's crack this one open. Got it. Let's start with the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe. Silver. Lamborghini. Here's the base. Sweet. Here's the wheels. Sweet. That one's fast. And then next up we got the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4 in the blue with the 10 spoke. Here's the front. Here's the rear. Here's the base. Sweet. This one's nice. The rear, we got any engine detail? Got some engine detail. Hard to see on the camera. There we go. Kind of see it. Sweet. Sweet lineup. I think my favorite out of the set, I'm biased, it's gonna be the Lamborghinis. Lamborghinis are always my favorite. I do enjoy the 66 Chevelle though. That one is sweet. BMW is cool. Alright, let me know what your favorite was out of the mix. Are you picking these up? Let me know. Thank you always for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.